Hi, and welcome back to Inspiring Mealtime. My name is Latanya. So today's recipe is a peach tart. This recipe is a part of the Peach Dessert Challenge 2019 collab. This collab is put on by the Sister Circle, which is headed up by This and That with Denise Jordan. Please check out her video and also the other videos of the other participants in this collab. The playlist link will be in the description box down below. So if you are ready to see this really quick and easy peach tart come together, keep on watching. Alright, so starting off this recipe, I have a bag of frozen peaches that is slightly thawed. I'm just putting them into a bowl. After that, I'm just adding my sugar, a little bit of flour, and then also some spices, some cinnamon, and then I am adding in some ginger, and then lastly some nutmeg, and then I'm just mixing all of that all together. Now if you don't like these spices, you can leave them out or you can just pick one or two, whatever you like. Alright, so next off I am going to be squeezing the lemon into my little cup here that has a little bit of vanilla already in it. Okay, so the next step that you're going to want to do is to take that lemon juice and vanilla and just pour it all over your peaches that are in the bowl, and then just mix that all up. You want to try to get all of those peaches as coated as you can. And then the next step is just to add in the sugar and spices and flour mixture, and then once again you just want to mix all the peaches up really good so that you can have all of them coated as much as you can. So the next step, unroll your pie crust that you have. If you have a store-bought or if you prepared your own homemade pie crust, just unroll it onto your pan and just use a little rolling pin and flatten it out and stretch it out just a little bit more, because we're going to be folding this crust over all of our peaches. So we just want to make sure that it's a nice size and a nice area for that tart. Alright, so after your crust is all flattened out and stretched out just a little bit, you want to get your peaches ready and start putting them onto that pie crust. Alright, so your next step is you want to start folding over your pie crust over top of your peaches. You just want to kind of overlap the pie crust over the peaches. Alright, so after that you want to brush your pie crust with some egg wash, and this is just 1 egg and then 1 tablespoon of water. Alright, so after you brush with the egg wash, you want to go over that and sprinkle some cinnamon sugar over top of all of your crust. You want to try to get it all nice and covered. So after your crust is done, it's time to pop it into the oven. Alright, so this peach tart is going to cook in a 375-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. After you take it out, you want to brush the pie crust with some melted peach jam or peach jelly. And this is optional, you don't have to do this step either. But that is it. Your peach tart is all ready to eat. All you need to do is get you some vanilla ice cream, slice it up, and put it in a bowl and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to check out the other participants in this Peach Dessert Challenge 2019. Don't forget, the playlist is listed in the description box. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.